What's up, guys? Welcome to another 5-Minute Friday. Today is a beautifully crappy day for photography. I'm gonna use the drift method. Freaking incredible. Round F16 for that to get that sunburst. There are zero clouds and nothing is going on. So to combat that, we got one of these. Yeah, so I finally got my Mavic Air. A little late, better late than never. But today we're gonna finally be able to test it out. I got it a couple days ago, but it's been too windy here in New Mexico. And by too windy, I mean, they said the Mavic can safely handle about 22 miles an hour wind and 22 miles an hour. And it's been sustained 20 to 30 mile an hour winds with 50 mile an hour gusts for the past 2 days. So now it's finally calmed down to about 15 miles an hour. So even though the day is crappy and no clouds or anything going on, we've got Tristan back there somewhere, and we're gonna make him run around and chase him with the drone. So lady behind the camera has already named the drone. His name is officially now Marvin. So we're gonna get Marvin out and see what I can do with it on this beautifully crappy day. One bummer is that it doesn't have the D log, and that's the flat profile, so you kind of have to make your own. So I made a slightly flatter profile. Well, I just left everything at 0 and then put it to the D Cine-like. So hopefully that'll give me a slightly flatter image, because I'm definitely going to be color grading. So I want all that dynamic range that I can squeeze out of this thing. And so far, it's proving to be pretty decent. I mean, the conditions right now are pretty optimal in terms of light, so. All right, well, that was it for Marvin's first run. He died, his battery died. And I ordered another battery and they sent it with the drone, but it was the wrong one. And I had to send it back. That was through Amazon. And so the new extra battery will be here tomorrow. So I only had one right now, so I'm gonna go recharge it. Maybe I'll try again, but it's only got about an hour of sunlight left. So my first impressions of the Mavic Air are super positive. There's only a couple little things that has taken me a little bit of a learning curve to get used to, but that's not anything that's anyone's fault but mine. So I'm really loving it. I think for the most part though, it's been really intuitive. And like I said, having those quick shots is really helping me get a feel for everything and being able to get good shots quickly. So really liking that. All right, back to the car now. I'm gonna call this an episode. I'm gonna actually try to keep this 5-Minute Friday under 5 minutes this time. So thanks for coming along with me, and thanks for checking out Marvin's first flight. If you like this kind of stuff and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've got new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And if you have any questions about the Mavic Air or any of my settings or anything like that, or if you have any recommendations for settings for me and how to fly this thing better, leave them in the comments below and I'll definitely appreciate it and respond. So make sure you like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.